good thing I got this car running pretty good. Everything will be all right. At least I hope so. Yeah, we're just going to enjoy the drive a little bit and see what's happening out here today. It's a little on the warm side, but we'll be all right. One thing about this car is I can actually see the gas gauge moving down when I drive it. Of course, I drive with a lead foot. Got this car, the person that had it, you know, he was very honest of what he had. The thing is, he didn't know what he had in like terms of engine and, you know, specs like that. It really needed to be tuned up and gone through and stuff like that. So he really didn't know the engine was, the output it has. All he knew was, he said it was faster than his other Vette, and he had a 65 Corvette. But I kind of looked it over, sight unseen really. He just sent me a bunch of videos and pictures, and overall this car was pretty clean for what I was going to do, because what I wanted to do is I wanted to do a you know, I didn't want to do an off-frame restoration, so now this is kind of an on-frame restoration and restro mod. You know, if I really had the big bucks, I would have did an off-frame restoration and everything like that, but I would have went with like a totally different frame setup and everything like that. But like I said, money sometimes kind of hard to come by. So when you buy a car to restore, there's a lot of time involved. So you got to make sure that what you spend on time goes into the car, you know, and then that's money too. So gotta weigh your options on what you want to do and what you want to get out of the car. If you wanted a full-on retro mod and you had the money, go for it. But if you're just an average slob like me, you got to do what you got to do, and you make it the best you can, little by little. So, but I'm very happy the route and direction I've gone. So it's made it very enjoyable. It's a nice driver. There's a lot of people, they'll restore it back to our normal specs. And it's still uncomfortable to drive. But it's not fast. Like I said, these newer cars, they can kick my ass. But it is still quick for what it is. I mean, it's 1969, but how old is that? Like 40, 50, 60 years almost? So, for as old as it is, that's pretty damn good. Oh, that camera's just really shaking. person said, "Why, you're not smiling while you're driving the car." Well, the reason is because I'm paying attention. I'm trying to be a defensive driver. I always have been. Because you just never know. So I'm always paying attention to my surroundings. You know. Yeah, and the one only blind spot I have, because I'm taller, so my view is right into the, the top of the windshield. So to look at the lights, to see if to go or not, my head is actually kind of poking above to see if the light turns green. Because I can't see, because if I'm driving normal, I can't see that top end. That camera's shaking it. Hope the video comes out fine. My temperatures are keeping down a little bit, so we're about 215, 220. Come on, light. This is a long light. What's going on here? This light is lasting forever. What's going on? Whoa, there goes a red light. I got that on camera. That was way red light. That's how accidents get caused here. In Vegas, people are really, really bad for running red lights.